practice. So you can do that at home no matter where you are finding me, is what I meant to say. And if you're following along with our series, Mastering the Basics of Acting, oh, that's what I'm calling this. That's right. This is called Mastering the Basics of Acting. Welcome. If you're one of my current students, this is for you. If you've never met me before, this is also for you. I'm so fancy, right? This video is your companion piece right alongside the Actor's Daily Journal, otherwise known as my MFA in your pocket. So each teacher we meet today connects to a quote or an exercise from the journal. So grab your notebook, or better yet, download the Actor's Daily Journal, and let's begin our journey. Chapter 1, Shakespeare. I know, scary, right? That's right, I said Shakespeare. But don't click away. It's all going to make sense. You probably only studied Shakespeare in your English class. Well, I find it very useful. The time, 1500s to 1600s. The playwright who became the first acting coach. Long before acting schools or Zoom classes, there was Shakespeare, leaving us hidden stage directions right inside his verse. He told actors exactly what to do. Here's a quote. "Speak the speech, I pray you, as I pronounced it to you, trippingly on the tongue." Who said that? It's from Hamlet. Shakespeare was teaching breath, rhythm, and truth centuries before it was called technique. I always say, if you can follow iambic pentameter, you already have a built-in acting coach inside the script. In the Actor's Daily Journal on day 145, Cicely Berry said this about the actor and the text. Shakespeare must be spoken with the whole body. Think about that. Why would that be important? And how does that pertain to what you do now as an actor? Nobody likes to see an actor just sitting there stiff and be like, or waiting for your next line. You get it. So here's the question. What would your acting look like if you trusted the script as your scene partner? The actual script. If you took your clues and direction directly from within it. What if you too acted with your whole body, your heart and your soul included? No longer acting, but living the role. Isn't that really why we go to the movies? Because we're watching people dive in and we get sucked in and we totally forget that we even bought a ticket. And then it ends and you're like, oh, I gotta go back to my real life. Yuck. Or maybe you're happy to go back to your real life. But that's our goal in this series, is to explore the methods or the method that will make that possible for each of us. Part 2 will be linked right here when it's ready. So click the notification bell or click it and watch it right now. Those of you studying with me on Zoom, we're going to explore a little section of Shakespeare today and see how his clues inform how you act it out. I want those of you following along online to look to the comments for something I've left you and act it out with your whole body. The other thing you're going to need to do to follow along the rest of this series is get an acting book on monologues or scenes or something that you're already working on from a play or a movie, and get ready to do the rest of this work that we're going to explore for this entire series. Don't forget to get your copy of the Actor's Daily Journal. There are links in the description that will help you find monologue and scene books and also get the journal. I'll see you in the next one.